An array is a collection of elements that are all the same type. The question is, how do you create an array in C? We've already covered how to create variables like int num equals 5 and char letter equals a. If we wanted to create an array of integers, we would do the same thing, but place brackets at the end of the variable name, like so. We would then initialize the values within curly braces. But what if we didn't know what we wanted to put in the array just yet? We can describe the size and leave the array initialization for later. Here we define an array, ARR, of size 10, where we can implement the values later on in the code. Now that we know how to make arrays, what if we want to get a singular value from inside of them? We can index it using a value put between the braces, like this. But be careful. As we can see when we run this code, this doesn't print out the first element. Instead, it prints out the second element, because in computer science, we start at 0. If you wanted the first element, you would change this to 0 and run this again. And there you get the first element. Now for our last exercise, let's implement our loops that we were just talking about to run through the array and print out all the values. To do this, we define our loop with an integer I equal to 0. We'd set it less than the total length of the array and have it increment each time, using our integer I as the index into the array. When we run this, we can see we get all 5 values that we're looking for. If you learned something new, please check out my YouTube channel as we run through the book of C together.